Today we are going to cook chicken with mushrooms and peppers. As a first step, let's pour a little bit of olive oil into the heated pan and add finely chopped onions. As the onions are getting prepared until they have golden color, we can now prepare a chicken. Chicken breast will be cut into the cubes and mixed into separate bowl with salt, then with black pepper, sweet pepper, olive oil. With all of those ingredients, we mix chicken very carefully or thoroughly with the added spices. And when the onion is fried, it should have golden color, we will add the slices of finely chopped green and red pepper into the pan. Afterwards, we will add the meat with spices into the pan and mix it well with the vegetables. We will cook this all together for a few minutes. When the meat is soft and almost cooked, add finely sliced young champignons and mix it again, but carefully so that the mushrooms will not break. After a while, add 100 milliliters of water. You can potentially add less and further add more as you will see necessary, depending on how much sauce you would like to have. Now cover our deep pan and simmer until it's all nice and soft. Let it cook for a while so that the unnecessary water evaporates if there is a lot of it. Then we will add sweet cooking cream into the pan. If necessary, we will thicken the sauce with a little bit of soya milk that will be mixed with water prior we pour it into the pan. We will keep mixing all ingredients very well at this point. It should look something like you see on the screen. And now we are ready to serve our dish. For example, this goes very well with rice. So enjoy and bon appetit!